Hi, in this problem we are going to rationalize the denominator. Basically that means we have to get rid of the square root on the bottom. And the basic principle that we're going to use is if you have the square root of, say, u squared, that's simply going to be equal to u, because that's the formula as long as everything's positive. And we're going to assume everything in these problems is all positive. Okay, so let's start by basically rewriting the bottom here in a nicer way. So this is 50 ab squared over, and let's go ahead and factor this a little bit nicer. So the 20, we can write that as 4 times 5, which is the same thing as 2 squared times 5. And then we still have the a cubed and the b. And so now we need to make all of these squared. So we've already got the 2 squared. We just need the 5 squared. So we need the 5 to be squared. So we already have a 5, so we need one more. We need the a cubed to be something squared. So we can make it an a to the 4th. So we'll multiply by a. That's because a to the 4th is the same thing as a squared squared. And when you multiply these, you add the exponents. There's a 1 here. So 1 plus 3 is 4. We have a b, so we need one more b. But you can't just do that, so you have to put it up here as well. So square root 5ab. Okay, now we're ready to continue. So this is equal to, so in the numerator, we're still going to have all of this. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and just break this up a little more, the 50, just in case we need it. 50 is 2 times 25, which is 2 times 5 squared. And then we have ab squared square root 5ab, because I think we're going to get some stuff on the bottom that might cancel. And then on the bottom we have, let's see, we've got 2 squared, we've got 5 squared, we've got a to the 4th, which is a squared squared, and then b times b is b squared. Serious algebra here, right? It's a little bit harder than some of the other examples. Let's see, let's keep going. So this is 2 times 5 squared, ab squared, square root 5ab, all over, and then on the bottom we can write this whole thing squared. So this is going to be 2 times 5 times a squared times b. Wow, and all of that is squared, right? 2, 5, a squared b, all of that is squared. This is going to be 2 times 5 squared. And then we have ab squared, square root 5ab. Boom, and on the bottom, all of this is finally free from the square root. It's 2 times 5, a squared b. Okay, so let's see what happens here. Looks like we lose a 2, so that's good. Simplification. We lose a 5. We have 5. This a is gone. And we lose a b. We have 5b square root 5ab. Over, we lost the 2, we lost the 5. We're left with an a. And that should be the final answer. So interesting problem. Took a little bit of work. I hope this video has been helpful in some way. Good luck.